sa aming uniforme, kundi dahil sa malatangking istilong pag-atake. Mas lalo kung pinalawak ang aming nasasakupan, kung saan kami nakatapak, andun din ang kapatiran. Mga budel, dinanip, kumalat at dumami, dumating
Our reason to celebrate, our reason to dine, our reason to enjoy. Good company and wine. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Kumusta po ang bawat isa? Okay na. O sige, sambat-sat tayo. Long live Alpha Kappa Rho! Long live Jufair Chapter! Long live Omega Psi Chapter! Long live Brotherhood! Peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all!
Long live!
Oh, long live tayo! Long live! Kailangan talaga yung energies mo na i-warm up ang bawat isa. Once again, good evening, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the much anticipated Alpha Kappa Rho 53rd founding anniversary celebration. And we are live here at Majestic Hotel here, Jufair. We would like to acknowledge our two chapters, the Jufair and the Omega Psi chapter. Palakpakan mo dyan! By the way, my name is Jose Stanley, and I will be your host for tonight's event. And now, I would love to feel everybody's energy and excitement. How about we can start this lovely program with a big round of applause. Parinig naman ang isang malakas na malapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Parang kulang para sa likod, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan. Lahat tayo, magpalapakan na may kasamang hinawan. The 52 years of Alpha Kappa Rho, of our two chapters, the Jufair and Omega Psi chapters, a remarkable journey built on the enduring values of brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service. As we commemorate this milestone, let us honor the vision and dedication of our founders, pioneers, and every member who has contributed to the strengthening of our fraternity through the years. Palakpakan mo dyan! Their commitment has laid the foundation for generations of our step-brons to continue serving with integrity, unity, and respect. May this anniversary inspire us to remain uphold, united, and continue making a positive impact in our communities. Together, let us strengthen the bands of brotherhood, support one another, and carry forward the legacy of Alpha Kappa Rho with pride and honor. Palakpakan naman kayo ulit! May the next chapters of our journey be marked by greater unity, stronger leadership, and unwavering commitment to our ideals. Happy 53rd founding anniversary, Alpha Kappa Rho! Of the Jufair and Omega Psi chapters, led by Jufair chapter, we have GS or Grand Escatron Yeye. Jufair chapter, we also have from the Omega Psi chapter, Christopher Son or GS Christopher Son. At bilaw, palakpakan mo dyan! Isang bagsak ulit tayo. Long live Alpha Kappa Rho! Long live Jufair chapter! Long live Omega Psi chapter! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all! Long live! So before we dive into the festivities, brothers and sisters, let us acknowledge our distinguished guests for tonight. First of all, let's give up for His Excellency, Ambassador Ines Jaime Ricardo D. Galiaga, of the Republic of the Philippines to the Kingdom of Bahrain. We also have Ms. Annette Avila. Good evening, ma'am. We also have the Regional Governor for the Bahrain Noble Region of the Fraternal Order of Eagles. That's your fourth Architect Ruben Jr. Mr. Faisal Khan, the branch head Head of Al Hilal Sitra, Mr. Gokul Krishna, Marketing Head of Al Hilal Sitra Branch, and the last, Fatima or Miss Fatima Ladin or Ladin Mendoza from SSS. All applause for Reverend Father Chamester Atwood Aradia. From our little hope or Olo Parade.
Event. Yes. Ang masasabi ko lang, una-una, at least maraming salamat na papasalamat kami sa Diyos at nadagdagan na naman yung taon ng aming serbisyo para sa AKP. Ang hirap magsalita, di ako sanay na nagsalita. Anyway, ang masasabi ko na maraming salamat sa pagdating niyo lahat. Pakikipag-celebrate sa amin ang aming 53rd anniversary at sana mag-enjoy tayo lahat sa gabi ito. Maraming salamat po.
And by implementing the motto, vision, and mission of this fraternity, I promise that I will give unsparingly of my time and effort in initiating for the realization of the humanitarian projects and service of our
It's an
God.
honor to be with you this evening as we celebrate the 53rd founding anniversary of Alpha Kappa Rho. This milestone is a testament to your organization's enduring commitment, and this occasion offers a fitting opportunity not only to reflect on your achievements, but also to recognize the friendships, shared experiences, and strong sense of community you have fostered through your brotherhood and through your services to our community as well. Today, perhaps more than ever, the values of unity, camaraderie, and looking after one another are especially important in the Kingdom of Bahrain. As we continue to navigate an uncertain regional environment marked by tensions that have affected the Gulf in recent months, the strength of our Filipino community lies in our ability to remain connected, resilient, and supportive of one another. Organizations such as Alpha Kappa Rho play an important role in fostering solidarity, encouraging volunteerism, and reminding us that no Filipino here in Bahrain should ever feel alone when working and living here. By standing together in times of both celebration and challenge, we not only strengthen our community, but also uphold the best values of our nation. I recall during the difficult periods we had, early months of this year, I've seen many of you, we work together, under challenging conditions. I commend each and every one of you, and it was quite an experience. You've been a lot of help. Ito kasi sa embassy, we cannot do everything alone. If we are to serve the community, we have to help one another. That's why the embassy always values the cooperation of our leaders in the Filipino community, and all of you, the organizations that comprise the Filipino community. And like I said, we are here to make sure that our other kababayans do not feel alone here. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And sa bagay, sabi nila, sinabi niya sa background, may background ng military. So kung ano dyan is sa experience natin sa nangyari, we can share that we have shared time together in the trenches, so to speak. So meron tayong pinagsamahan na hindi lang sa saya, pero pinagsamahan din, lalo na yung pinagsamahan habang sa panahon ng pagsubok. At yan ang mas importante, yan yung mas malakas na klaseng pagsamahan. And thank you very much again from everyone on behalf of the Philippine Embassy. So maraming salamat for your all valuable contributions to the community, and of course for the kind invitation to join this meaningful occasion with all of you. As you celebrate this anniversary, may you be reminded the many accomplishments you have already achieved and of the greater contributions you can continue to make together in the years ahead. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Alpha Kappa Rho.
Salamat sa palagi ninyong pag-iimbita sa amin. Na sana po sa pagtulong natin sa ating kapwa at sa ating mga humingi ng tulong din, sana po ay pagbigyan natin lahat at ang ating mga kababayan. Alam ko din po ang hirap natin dito sa Bahrain at sana po magtulong-tulong po tayong lahat. Nakikita ko po lahat yung mga nandito, ng mga tao na nandiyan na isang tawag lang po ng Philippine Embassy, tawag din po namin lalo na po sa government ng Bahrain. Nandiyan po palagi kayo sa amin. Maraming pong salamat. At saka pinapaalala ko po pala, paki-spread lang po sa 14 sa Friday po. Meron po tayong lingkod kababayan. At saka po nandito po ngayon ang ating SSS. Ano lang po yung inyong mga kaibigan na meron po tayong SSS doon. Yung normal po na gawain natin sa pang-araw-araw na pagpunta nyo sa atin sa Philippine Embassy, yung po ay gagawin natin ulit sa 14. Paki-spread na lang po para po madami din po tao. At alam naman po namin na ang Friday ay pinakamahalaga sa inyo. Baka kailangan nyo din po ng assistance. So, yun lang po yung araw ng inyong day off ng mga kaibigan ninyo. Maraming salamat po sa AFRO at mabuhay po ang mga Pilipino sa bansa.
Salamat sa sabi ko, maraming salamat sa pag-invest sa akin dito at napakalakas ang AFRO. Long live AFRO!
Respected His Excellency, thank you for the invitation. Ms. Tara, she's the one who invited us here. 53rd anniversary of Alpha Kappa Rho. Long live. Nice energy, very good energy. Again, long live.
Thank you for the invitation, Mr. Excellency. We are Al Hilal will be there for you all the time. Thank you for the invitation. Long live.
Yung paanyaya mula po sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, ako ay taus-pusong bumabati sa inyong ika-5 at 3 taon ng pagdiriwang ng inyong anibersaryo. Nawa po ay patuloy kayong gayaan ng ating Panginoon ng lakas at inspirasyon para patuloy na maglingkod sa ating mga minamahal na kababayang Pilipino, gayon din sa ating kapwa-tao. Maraming salamat po at happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary po sa inyo. Thank you po sa suporta ninyo sa Philippine Embassy at sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Bahrain. Especially po nung sabi niya ba yung during the war, kahit konting kumusta po sa mga kababayan natin, it helps po. Small or big. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po.
Long live the fair chopper! Long live the Megaside chopper! Long live brotherhood, peace, equality, loyalty, and service to all! Long live! Maraming salamat! Okay, ito na talaga siguro. The moment of truth. Lucky ticket number 16, Jack Vincent Londicho. Congratulations! Long live! Take a picture tayo. Picture.
Ang pilit ko kung malakas akong magtatanggol sa'yo.
Ito po yung sa Filipino Community Volleyball Group. Nagbigay po kami ng suporta para maging successful po yung tournament nila dito. Ayun lamang po. Ito po yung naging project namin within 5 months. Simula po naging established po project yung chapter namin. Maraming salamat po. Long live Alpha! Long live Megaside!
Okay, another appreciation to be given to Brother Christopher Son, or Promise Caption GS. Christopher Son at Milao, certificate of appreciation to be given by or to be presented by DGS Kenneth.
Certificate of Appreciation has certificate is proudly presented to host Stanley Santos.
Alright, receive your certificate of membership, Sister Eileen. How about for Ray Cesar?
The reigning queen!
How about for Lester? Lester.
Ranking queen.
How about for Christian?
Huwag mo yung lapit. Kasi ano, iba yung Peke.
Okay, oo. How about for Chester? Lester? Picture daw, oo. How about for Christian?
Baliktad mo na lang.
Christian? Oo.
Hindi ko kasi nagmao, di ba?
Pepsi na. Ikaw na, okay. And now, brothers and sisters, our last awardee to receive the certificate of membership. Sabi mo ikaw Oh. And now, the moment we've been waiting for to receive the last award, the certificate of membership from the 5th chapter, let's get up for Sister Chin! Ano na bayan? Nagbawasan yung TF. Alright, congratulations! Picture daw? Oo. Picture.
Dede Amis. Film Demand.
Congratulations for getting your prize.
Ayan na kayo mag-quiz. Ayan na para po nag-quiz.
Okay, last question na po para sa may kinalaman dito sa ating Kitang
Sandali ng bago pa man. Nung bagong pasok ng
Wala po, no? So, congratulations po. Asan ka? Number 8! Number 8 is you, Kenneth. Is it today?
Thank you.
Maging sa kapatiran na makakaro, ilalago na aming puso'y di magmamaliw. I born again by God as a great acronym sa lahat ng kapatid. Dahil makakaro ang aming kapatiran sa paglipas sa panahon na
So we officially close this momentous occasion as we celebrate for the Alpha Kappa 53rd founding anniversary celebration with our 2 chapters. In the fair and Omega chapters, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all the amazing people, for our officers, sponsors, members, brothers and sisters in gracing this momentous occasion. Palakpakan niyo yung mga sarili! We would like also to extend our sincerest appreciation for our beautiful decoration from Brother Plasiday. We also have Sister Shini, GS Christopher Son, BGS Sir Kenneth, for this beautiful decoration for tonight, for our venue, This has been your host for tonight was Stanley